In this video, we're going to talk about, let's discuss Gemini, the Gemini Exchange versus Crypto.com. Crypto.com is best to use from your mobile device, but we're going to go over it anyway from the desktop version. And Gemini, you also can use it on your mobile phone and also on your desktop, laptop, and others. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now let's go ahead and dive into this content because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. Let's dive into this content. Now Gemini, let's go ahead and discuss Gemini. Gemini, I love Gemini. It's really easy to use. The only thing about Gemini is they don't have a lot of different assets on their platform. That's one of the things I would say that may be missing. There's other assets on their exchange that I'm interested in, and they don't have it on their platform. So when you log into Gemini, it does prompt you to put in a 7-digit code in here, and I'll put this in here right now. So I love the security aspect of it. It's very secure. And so when I put it in, 749-4875, there you go. So when I log in, it gets me that 7-digit code, and I'm into the Gemini Exchange. Now, one of the things, like I said before, they only have, this is how many assets it has, but it's missing so many different ones that I would love to have. You know, I would love this to have seller network. You know, the seller network, I would love it to have. I would love this to have the sandbox. Well, no sandbox, it has a sandbox, like XRP. I would love this to have XRP. That's what I'm trying to say, XRP, VeChain, and a few others. So it's missing a few assets. One of the things that I really wish it has, but one of the positive things that Gemini has, it does have, you can earn interest just by staking your assets. I do like about that. That's one of my favorite things, that you can stake things now. So that's really cool to do. Another thing I like about it is it's very easy to do your research on your assets. So Bitcoin, you learn more about it. You can go right to the website, and it's easy to buy and sell. You can buy and sell to your right, and over to your left, you can do some research on it. You can read about the asset, and you can go right to the web address. Well, I like this right there. I like that. So it's pretty much everything all in one page, which is easier to do when you're trying to make a decision on the asset. Now on Crypto.com, this is more for the mobile device. So make sure, click on the link below, download the mobile device on Crypto.com and Gemini as well, because this is the Gemini. Crypto.com has more assets on their platform, has a lot more assets on their platform. And that's what I like about it there. So what you do is, so like, let's say for instance, it has seller network. It does have seller network. Seller network is one of my favorite ones. But Crypto.com has more assets to use. That's one of the positive things about it. The negative thing, it doesn't have the desktop version of it where it's easy and simple to use. It's more for the mobile device. So I know they're improving their desktop version and their laptop and your tablet version. They're improving that aspect to it, but it's more for your mobile phone. It's more for your mobile phone. So it's getting better in terms of that. It is. And it's getting better in terms of using this on your mobile phone and your in your tablet, not a mobile phone, but your desktop and your laptop. But it's more for your mobile phone. So that's one of the cons about it. But one of the plus about it, they have quite a bit of assets they added on here. They have a lot of different assets now. So I really, really like that. Look at all these assets. They have more than Gemini. If you go to Gemini, Gemini only have so many on here. So that's one of the things that the difference between it. Crypto.com just has more assets than Gemini, but Gemini has a really good desktop feature of it, and it also has a good way of researching your assets before you purchase or even sell them, and they also have a good staking as well. Now Crypto.com has a staking rewards as well. They actually have a staking program. Also but Crypto.com has a card, has a debit card, a Crypto.com card that you can use to purchase more assets with your card, and they have a good referral program. They have a very good referral program, and it's really cool to use. You just follow the prompts on the information. You can earn rewards. The people that you invite or the people who decide to take advantage of it, they can earn rewards as well. So they have a really good referral program, a very good one though. So that's a positive about Crypto.com. Referral program, they have the Crypto.com card, and they have more assets. Gemini does have a staking rewards program in the earn aspects to it. They do also have the way you can actually withdraw and deposit money into your Gemini account. So I could put money into my Gemini account by making a deposit in here, like a USD. I could just put money in here like that. I can also withdraw my Gemini assets by going here, and I can transfer this to another exchange. I can just transfer it over. Let me see if I can do, okay, it has to be a Bitcoin. It has to be a Bitcoin address. So I can transfer this to another Bitcoin address. Very simple and really easy. I think that's simple. You can do that on Crypto.com, but I think Gemini is just a little bit more easy. It's just more simpler than that. Both exchanges are really, really good. Click on the link below to get access to both of them. Which one do I prefer? I think if I'm using my mobile device, I would want to use Crypto.com. If I'm on a desktop or if I'm on my laptop, I want to use the Gemini. They both have staking. They both are easy to use, and they both pretty much are very secure when you're trying to buy and sell your cryptocurrency. Crypto.com just have more assets, so I can find assets on Crypto.com that I cannot find. Prime example, ADA. There's ADA right there, Cardano, and if I go to Gemini, they don't have ADA. So prime example, they just have more. Crypto.com just have more, but I like Gemini because it's still easy to use, and it's easy to withdraw and transfer your funds or your assets to one place to another. My name is Adam Shelton. You go ahead and take a look at both of these and see what you think was the favorite one of you to use, because everybody has a preference and everyone has, a different way of how they do their business. Another thing I like about Gemini before I let you go is that you can actually filter out some of the different type of assets that you're trying to look for. If I wanted to look for DeFi or recently launched or top traded or top movers, I can do that. Crypto.com, you really can't do that easy like that. You can go to favorites. Yes, you can go to favorites, but you can't really basically filter out the ones you want to use. That's simple. Not as simple, but here you can do it very, very easy based off the market. So like I said, they both got their positive and their negative. And Gemini does have a good reward program as well. They have a good reward program as well, just like Crypto.com. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments below, I'd love to hear what you have to say about Gemini and Crypto.com. And also, if you don't have access to Gemini or Crypto.com, click on the links below, and I'll see you on the next video.